Hello guys, continuing with the list. We can perform some operation in the list by using some method or function. These methods are predefined. Some of the methods are append, extend, insert, delete, etc. First we use the append method in the list. By using append method, we can add an element in the list in the last. To implement this, I am created a list and then I using list.append, then the value number, then we will print the list, and here you can see the output. The 7 is appended at the last of the list. We can append the element abc in the list by using list.append, and then we will print this list and you can see the output. The second method we use is the extend method. By using extend method, we can extend the existing list with the new list. And here you can see the implementation of the extend method. List.extend, small bracket, square bracket, and the list. Then we will print the list, and you can see the output. Here the list is extend in the new list. The third method we use is the insert method, and in the insert method we use position value and the value which we added in the list. Now I insert ABC at the first position, and here you see the implementation of the insert function. In another example, I insert 999 at the third position of the list, and here you can see the output. The fourth method we use is the delete method. By using delete method, we can delete some item of the list. Now we can delete any value from the list by using its index. As you can see in the output, we deleted the Sam from the list by using its index 3.